ago, in a small village near the mountains, there lived a boy named Aarav. He was curious but also a little afraid of the dark. One evening, Aarav heard an old villager say, "Inside the mountain cave, there lies a hidden treasure. But no one dares to go there because of strange sounds that come from inside." Aarav's heart beat fast. He wanted to see the treasure, but fear pulled him back. That night, he could not sleep. He thought, "If I don't try, I will never know what's inside. Maybe the treasure is not gold, but something greater." The next morning, with a small lantern in his hand, Aarav entered the cave. The cave was cold and dark. Suddenly, thud, 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 he heard footsteps. His hands shook, but he remembered his father's words. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is walking forward even when you are afraid. Aarav took a deep breath and moved forward. When he reached the end of the cave, he saw not gold or silver, but a stone wall with glowing words carved on it. The real treasure is courage. Whoever reaches here has already found it. Aarav smiled. He realized the treasure was not money, it was the strength he found inside himself. From that day, he never let fear stop him again. So, friends, the moral of the story is true treasure is courage and confidence. When you face your fears, you discover your real strength. Alright, kids, now it's time for a fun quiz. Where did Aarav live? A. In a city. B. In a small village near the mountains. C. In a forest. The correct answer is B. In a small village near the mountains. What did Aarav hear about the cave? A. It has wild animals. B. Strange sounds came from inside. C. It was full of gold and silver. The correct option is B. Strange sounds came from inside. What did Aarav carry with him into the cave? A. A rope. B. A lantern. C. A stick. The correct option is B. A lantern. What did Aarav see at the end of the cave? A. A box of gold. B. A stone wall with glowing words. C. A sleeping dragon. The correct option is B. A stone wall with glowing words. What was the real treasure according to the glowing words? A. Money. B. Courage. C. Friendship. The correct option is B. Courage. What is the moral of the story? A. Darkness is dangerous. B. True treasure is courage and confidence. C. Never listen to old villagers. The correct option is B. True treasure is courage and confidence. If you got the answers right, that means you paid very good attention. Excellent work. If you liked the story, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Bye-bye. Take care.